Open the Start panel. Look in the Windows Accessories folder for the Paint application. If not found, look in the Windows Styles section. Click on the Paint Program reference. Select a brush from the brush pull-down and a color. Place your mouse on the white drawing surface. Hold the left mouse button down and draw your name. While the paint application is still open from exercise 1A, do the following. Use the Start menu to locate the Notepad application. Open the application. Enter the text, learning windows will be on. Minimize the paint application, minimize the Notepad application, restore the paint application from the taskbar, restore the Notepad application from the taskbar. Click the left mouse button on the title bar of the Notepad and Paint applications and drag the windows together so the two applications are placed side by side on the desktop. Move the mouse pointer to the top border of the paint application until the up and down arrows appear. Hold the left mouse button and gently guide the Windows border to the top of the desktop display until a ripple appears. The windows will expand to fill the top, side, and bottom of the desktop. Do the same with the Notepad application. The two applications will be side to side. Click the left mouse button on the task view tool in the taskbar and the applications will appear in the panoramic view. Close both applications and do not save the result.
Ito ka sa baba, di.